Previously, we had seen how the content administrator accepts the workflow instance. Once the accept workflow instance task is completed, the next task that is created is the step task. In this case, for content C1946.docx, the first read task is assigned to editor Joe. So, let us log in to the case management demo site as editor Joe. As seen here, I'm already logged in as editor Joe to the demo site. In the My Tasks section for editor Joe, we see the document C1946.docx and the first read task created for it. The editor can easily click on this UI link and download the document, perform edits on the document, save the changes, and then go and complete his task. All the editing work is done in the editing library, so I will show you how the editor would go to the editing library and complete his task. For that, let us go to libraries and say editing. Once we are on the editing library, let us go to the document that was submitted by the author. In this case, let us go to the content C1946. In order to edit this particular document, let us click on ... and then check out the document first. Once you check out the document, you see a green symbol which denotes that it is checked out to editor Joe. In order to perform edits on the document, let us download the document by clicking on it. Here, the system would prompt us for the username and password. Let us enter the credentials for editor Joe. Once we have entered the credentials for editor Joe, let us wait for some time for the document to open up. Once the document has opened up, we can perform the edits. This can be done as follows. You can then save the changes to the document. In order for the changes to be saved, you need to check in to the document by adding the check-in comments. For that, let us go back to the document, click on ... and say check-in. You can enter the comments in this section as follows. Once the comments are entered, you can say OK. This is how the editor would check in the document and save the changes to the document. Once that is done, let us go back to the home page. Since the editor has completed his work on the document, let us go to the task for first read, which was assigned to him. Let us click on Edit. As you can see here, we have the percent completion for the particular task. Let us mark the percent completion as 100% and click on Save. Once you click on Save, the first street task would be completed for Editor Joe. Let us do so. This is the process to complete the first street task for an editor. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you.